Here you are. The feeling feels good. Don't know if you know it, but I think you should. Tell me it's alright. Tell me we can make this thing tonight. Feeling a change in the air. Hallelujah, I love you. You ready? 'Cause I couldn't be happier than right now. See if you know it. Should be with me until the end of time. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling it in the air. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling a change. I'm feeling it in the air. To look the other way, to get what you want. Throw out your troubles, find your song. 'Cause there's a change in the air. In the air. In the air. Just one more minute here with you. All I'd give to have this come true. Can you feel it too? Can you feel this heart beating in time?
Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys.
When you're ready, bass. When you're ready, when you're ready, bass. When you're ready, when you're ready,
Lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys.
when you're ready,
Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys.
when you're ready, bass. When you're ready, bass.
Hey yo, I'm eating Fun Dip right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Flight 909, taking you on a journey all around the world with your captains, Steve Aoki, the John, Nathan Luke. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready for takeoff? We hit turbulence! Let's go! What a rush! Attention passengers! This is your captain speaking. I regret to inform you, we might encounter some turbulence. So when it happens, put your hands up high, like you on a roller coaster. Initiate emergency procedures. We hit turbulence! Yeah! Let's go! What a rush!
I'm wandering alone in an open space, looking around for a human trace. Along the edge of this satellite, losing the route in this empty sky. I'm prey of the ghosts of this galaxy, losing myself in this ecstasy. No clock is turning to sign the time. Everything's floating through day and night. No noise is breaking my silent star. I'm on the run, I can go so far, flying in absolute essence of gravity, feeling the vibe of eternity. This is the lesson I had to learn. This is the treasure I had to earn. I am the owner of no